Welcome to the Vape and Juice Hacks, where we show you how to get more out of your vaping. Vape and Juice TV here. Hack number 3, we're going to show you how to make your coils and your e-liquid last longer simply by ignoring the recommended coil wattage on the boxes you're going to get with your Cletos or your Smock coils, and getting your vape kit, which is using your up and down wattage, to set to 3.7 volts. Now, why 3.7 volts? 3.7 volts is a level that many of the vape batteries out there are made to work as a standard. It's the 56 mile an hour fifth gear of vaping, really. So if you ever want to know how to be conservative with your petrol on the motorway, they always say go 56 mile an hour, but 3.7 volts is the vaping version of that. So how do you get to 3.7 volts? Well, you just up and down the wattage on your screen. For example, Cleto 120 coils, they're 0.15 ohms. The box suggests up to 120 watts you can use that at. What that means is you'll be firing at about 4.2 volts. If you bring that right down to about 85, 90 watts, you're going to be running at 3.7 volts. That's a 10% drop in wattage, which means a 10% drop in power consumption. It means your battery will last 10% longer. It means you're taking a 10% less drain on those coils. Those coils are going to suffer less impact. More importantly, it means 10% less e-liquid is being used every time you fire the button, which means your e-liquid will go longer, it means your coils will last longer, and it means your battery will survive longer. So simple as that. Bring your wattage down, get it so when you hit the fire button, it's showing 3.7 volts, and you will make your juice last longer. Hack 3 done.